Hello there guys, Tom here. I know that I haven't made a video in quite a little while. I know that it's been quite a few weeks, but today I thought I would do one. So here I am. I am reviewing Comodo Dragon. Now this is a new browser that I found out about Comodo. Only this month did I find out about it, and it's basically a fork of Google Chrome because it's built on the source code of Google Chrome. Now, here I'm going to have to talk a bit to you about open source. Now, open source software is basically software which means that it is free, and also that you can modify the source code in any way you want. So basically, every single application out there has source code. Now, open source code, that means when it's open source code, it can be modified by absolutely anyone. It can be from, the old man in his house across the road, from commercial companies. So, here, Comodo have actually gone ahead and modified Google Chrome, and this is actually free. It's open source. So without further ado, let's take a look. So, this is Comodo Dragon. It's built with security in mind. It works with all of the Google Chrome extensions. It really is just Google Chrome, but it's extra secure, and I'll show you why in a second. Here we have the other bookmarks. I like how I really do like how Google Chrome, Comodo Dragon has its bookmarks laid out, because you can just click that and then you can just click it. You have the extensions show up here. When I wave over the home button, as you see, it's got a nice little shiny glint to it. Same for the refresh button. It is quite fast as well. If we go to Omegle, I go straight there within a few seconds. If we go to download.com, takes barely any time really. We go to YouTube. If we'll go there, yep. And what I like about it, to be honest, is that it's quite lightweight. There's not like a load of, fussing around with it. There's no congestion on the toolbar. It's just like very, very simple and very sort of laid out and categorized. Now, when you open a new tab, you have these nice little clickable buttons up here. If I just show you the top right there, it's a bit different from other browsers. So if you click that, and you go to, this is your most visited sites, by the way. So you click the one that you want. So file paper. Now, what's interesting with this is that you can drag tabs off. So if I just drag this off, I now have two separate Dragon processes. And so, that's just like another browser, and this one is another browser. Now, if I want to put it back onto there, it's just as simple as dragging it and placing it. And then that's it. I've got my tab back. You can right click on it and click duplicate. That will give you the same tab. Close that one. Sorry about this. Just give me a second, guys. Hang on. Hey guys, I'm back again. Sorry about that. What I was gonna say. Oh yeah. So if you right click on the tab and you click pin tab, that means that you can pin the tab, and now it's just like pinned into place, and you can't close the tab. So this is actually really, really good if you want to have a tab which you can be sure that you're not going to close because you don't want to lose your work or whatever it is. You can just tab it, you can just pin it, and there's no close button, so you have to right click it and click unpin tab and then close it. Now so if we go into the tools menu, now we've got new tab, new window. We've also got new incognito window. Now within this window you're quite safe because it says incognito up here, and that means that there won't be any identifiable information created whilst you're using this window. Now, as it says, you have disabled your extensions. This is because Google Chrome, by using its extensions, it has access to your history and stuff. So that's why it actually disables just all of the add-ons, just everything. You only have your bookmarks. There's no add-ons going on there. So yeah, so that's the incognito window. If we go back to the normal window and we see now, we've got check for updates. That's different because you don't get that in Google Chrome. To check for updates in Google Chrome, you just say about Google Chrome, and it checks for updates right there. You've got the edit functions, the zoom, you've got find, print, you've got tools, always show bookmarks bar, which is that. I prefer to have that. Now, if you go to Task Manager, it's quite odd because other browsers don't really have this, but you'll notice that my plugins and my extensions are all in a Task Manager, and these are all the process. So, browser, that's just the entire browser, and it's showing me that, showing the CPU, the memory, and these are like things inside the browser. So I could like end these things individually rather than closing out the entire browser if I'm having a bit of a lag with it. So that's good. So a very nice function, I think. Got encoding, all that stuff. Right, if I go into options, I'm going to show you why it's more secure. So all of this is practically the same as usual. If we go into personal stuff, no, that's not it, under hood. Now in here it has an option. If you're on Google Chrome, it has an option to say send anonymous usage data to Google. Well, in here it doesn't actually have that. It just isn't there. If we go down, we've got all of these encryption types. So there's much more encryption in it. So you can enable all of these if you want to. I don't know why this one has not been enabled. I've left these at default. Might be because it slows down the browser if you have it on. I don't know, but I don't think that there could be any, I don't think there's any bad if you were to check that. Also, I don't know if this is important, but as soon as you enable or disable a setting, it's applied. There's no like apply button or anything. It's just close and it's done. Oh, anything else to show you? When I click the button, it looks pretty nice up there. I don't know. What I seem to notice is that when you go to YouTube, and I don't know, sorry, my computer seems to be really lagging at the moment. Damn it. Anyway, what was I gonna do now? If I just want to watch some videos, let's see. I'm just searching for some random video, by the way. I'm not trying to advertise someone or anything. this is just something that I thought was interesting, and I just wanted to sort of show you what I mean. If this darn thing will load up. Excuse me, guys. Hi guys, sorry about that. My computer is really slow at the moment. I don't know why it's like this. But if you go to view, never mind. I can't show you. My computer is just like totally slow because of Camtasia Studio. It's never usually this slow. I mean, wow. Right. If I can just... Okay, I'm just going to restart the browser here. I'm sorry about this, guys. I'm going to go to youtube.com again. See if we can do this. Oh. Okay, that's not going to happen. I was just going to say that somehow Google Chrome, well, Comodo Dragon, but at heart it is sort of Google Chrome, if you get what I mean. It's built on what we call Chromium technology, I think. Well, I was just going to show you that because it's made from, by Google, it's quite compatible with YouTube, so it makes it look better on the visual effects and stuff. But anyway, sorry about that. I hope this video helped you. If you want to give Comodo Dragon a try, it doesn't do any harm to, because it's much more secure. I must say. I mean, this thing is it's free and it's simple and it's open source and it's quite secure. It's pretty damn solid. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please comment, rate and subscribe if you like watching my videos, and thanks again.